Hello dear friends, I am Rahul Gawande. In last video we studied question number 1, 2, 3 and 4 from practice set 4.1. Now in this video we will continue from example number 5. Example number 5 is draw a right angle triangle XYZ, means any, but that should be a right angle triangle. Draw its medians and show their point of concurrence by G. Okay, now step by step. First of all, draw a right angle triangle. Measurement, right angle triangle means each angle is of 90. If we take this square, set square, this is also of 90 degree. Okay, now here let's draw right angle triangle. This is right angle triangle. Name XYZ. X, Y, Z. This is the right angle triangle. What we have to draw? Median. And for median, we have to draw bisectors of side, means segment bisector. Okay? And to bisect segment, we have to use rounder. For median, we need midpoint of each side, then one by one. First, let's divide by Z, more than half, one arc up, one arc down, same distance from Z, let them intersect, here and here. Okay, now they intersected. Draw a line passing through these intersection points. We get midpoint. See? Now here we got midpoint. Identical mark I give here and midpoint to K I write. Okay, KLM we will give. K is the midpoint of YZ. Now we want median. Which segment is called median? The segment joining vertex and midpoint of opposite side. If we join it, then we get median. But first let's complete midpoints all and then we will join them. Now YZ is over XY. I bisect XY now. From here, from X, more than half, one arc to right side, second arc to left. Okay, then from Y, let them intersect to both. Okay, here, this point and this point. Now draw a line passing through these intersection points to get midpoint. See. Here is midpoint again. Okay, L I write here. L is the midpoint, identical marks. Now which side is left? XZ, hypotenuse. It is 90 degree. XY, here is 90 degree. Right angle triangle. Now bisect XZ. XZ, more than half. One arc to this side, one arc this side. We don't know where they will intersect. If they are not intersecting, we will extend it. Now from Z, here and here. Okay, and now let them join. passing through. Here identical mark, triple identical mark I give, and midpoint is here. K, L, M. M I write here. Medians we have drawn. These are midpoints, not medians. These are midpoints. We have to draw medians now. Okay, join. It is stated, draw medians. These are all midpoints. Now median xk. xk is first median. Here xk. Second ym. ym. Y is here, M is midpoint here, opposite. ym. This is second median. Third zl. 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 xk first median, ym second, zl third. And what is said there? Show their point of concurrence by G, and here intersection point give their name G. This is point of concurrence, means centroid. What is the property of centroid? Centroid divides the median in 2:1 part. In this way we constructed right angle triangle and we drew medians. We wrote its name, point of concurrence G also. Example number 6 is draw an isosceles triangle. Draw all of its medians and altitudes. Write your observation about their points of concurrence. That observation afterwards, but before that we have to draw isosceles triangle, means having two sides equal. Okay, first of all take a base. Base we can take of any length. I give it name QR because in figure, in example that is not given. And now as we want isosceles, remaining two sides should be of equal length. Base is of any, but remaining two should be of same length. Therefore whatever distance you are taking, now here, what is distance we don't know. One arc from this side, same distance from R. As this and this both distances are same, this is isosceles triangle. And now join them. Here I give it P name. This is equal to this, that's why this is isosceles triangle PQR. Now, what to do here? Draw medians and altitudes. Now here we got isosceles triangle. We have to draw medians and altitudes. Okay. Now for median, we want midpoint. Midpoint of all three. Then we will join them with the vertices, we get median. Let's draw side bisectors to get midpoints by taking more than half distance. Now first I bisect QR, more than half. One arc here up above, second down. From R, let them bisect. We are bisecting, but before that we want intersection points. Now here draw a line passing through here Here midpoint M I write name, identical mark we got here. Okay. Now second PQ. To draw midpoint of PQ, bisect it more than half, this side, one this side, from P intersection point we want here, from P here, join them. Draw a line passing through. Here is midpoint. I write N here, identical mark. Okay. Now one more PR is left. Same for PR. Bisect it. One arc here. Intersection from P to this side also. From R join them, draw a line passing through them. Here midpoint, here I write K, identical mark. Medians we have drawn. Now if we join with vertices, opposite vertex, then we get median. Now let's join PM. PM. Join it. One median. Second QK. QK is here, second median. Third RN. See, these are three medians. Medians we have drawn. Now for altitude. For altitude we have to draw perpendicular from vertex to the opposite side. Now vertex is P. I adjust this line base on base of set square, put on base of the triangle, and vertex should come on vertical line. If you see here, where we have drawn median now, at the same point altitude is coming. Same point, means PM is median and at M we get 90 degree also. Let's check this K. PK is your base of triangle and vertex should come at this point. If you adjust here also median and at the same point we get altitude also, means here 90 degree. Check this also, R at this base on PQ and vertex on here at same. Median means midpoint and altitude both are coming at same point. Now what is your observation about the point of concurrence? Point of concurrence of median is here, O suppose, and point of altitude, point of concurrence of altitude, that is orthocenter, that is also same. Therefore our observation is that point of concurrence of median and altitudes is same. Both are intersecting at the same point. This is our observation. Then observation, what to write? Point of concurrence of medians and altitudes is same. That is point O. Means both are intersecting. All three altitudes and all three medians are intersecting at the same point. This is our observation. Example number 7 is activity based example. Just fill in the blanks. ABC triangle is shown. AP, BQ or CR, these are three medians. G is point of concurrence means centroid. It is given here point G is the centroid. Property about centroid is that centroid divides the median into 2:1 part. It's from vertex to centroid 2 part, and from centroid to midpoint 1 part. From vertex to and from centroid to midpoint 1 part. Means upper part is double. Part towards vertex is double, and part towards midpoint is half. If you know part towards vertex, if you know, then down part will be half. If you know down part means part towards midpoint, then part towards vertex will be double. Now let's see here RG 2.5. RG 2.5. Now here 2.5, this is the part to midpoint side. Midpoint side part is 2.5. Therefore, part towards vertex will be double. 2.5, double of 2.5. What? GC. GC is the part towards vertex. Part towards vertex is double. If this is 2.5, double of 2.5 will be 5. GC is equal to 5 because that is double to the part of midpoint. BG6. BG is the part to vertex side. Vertex side part is 6. Then part towards midpoint will be half of 6. GQ or BQ. We want BQ one. Now here you see BG6. BG6, this part will be half. Half of 6, 3. But we want BQ. Then BQ is the addition of BG plus GQ. 6 plus 3, 9. BQ 9. Addition. Third, AP6. AP means total median is 6. Total is 6. AG, we don't know. GP also we don't know. AG is part towards vertex. That is 2 part. Double part we want. And this is half. If we divide 6 in such way, then we get 4 plus 2. 4 plus 2. 4 plus 2, 6. And this is double than this. It means AG is 4 and GP is 2. Total we get 6 and upper part is double than the down part. In this way, this activity portion also completed.